how to create unlimited AI images using Android mobile. So hello guys, in this quick review I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Play Store. Here I will search for Gemini. So I will simply search for Gemini. Once you search for it, you guys will install that second one, Google Gemini. So we will click on that and install it. Once you install it, after that click on open. Now you guys will see that type of interface, like image with banana icon, 3 dots on downside. On top, you guys will see 2.5 flash. So for image generation, unlimited images, how I can generate images. So for that, I will simply click here. Here, I will write my prompt. For example, I want to generate donkey dancing on Mars. Donkey dancing on Mars. After that, I will click here. Now I will wait for some seconds. Here we go. Our image was enlarged. You guys can download it in full SD quality by clicking on top right corner download option. Here's how you guys can donate unlimited images. It was 100% free and it was by Google Gemini. Thanks for watching.